Yeah. So let's dissect this in a real way. Yeah. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. See? Um, these are my opinion on certain issues, affecting Jamaica. See? Your opinion could be totally different. You understand what I say? But it's nice when we can have a dialogue, a reason, and we come to a rational understanding how to move forward. Mm-hmm. Well, what I observe is that a while back, you have this incident whereby some police officer go attempt to kill a man in a Spanish town, and he had a police friend there as well who chased them down, and you know altercation, man dead, man get shot, man end up in jail and things like that. And it was established that the group of killers were police officers. You understand what I say? And they came from the army barracks thing. What I observed happened, yeah, which would have never happened anywhere else. Or I doubt it. That's never happened before either. The government just disband that police unit to complete, and that's it. That's case, after the history of so many unsolved murder, so many unsolved killing. I mean, people have substance on board people without substance. You understand me? You just disband the unit and that's it. These men could have been responsible for thousands of Jamaican murders. These men could have been responsible for the killing of, let's say, Willie Agat. Let's say, it could have gone all the way back to then. How long were these people employed to the force? You understand? How many killings, how many cases, how many judicial errors might these guys have caused? How many men might these guys have imprisoned without due course? You get what I'm saying? How many extrajudicial killing these men might have committed without, recourse to proper justice for the victims? At the end of the day, these things are reasonable questions, to say the least, that needs to be answered. You understand what I say? These are people's life. These are people with relatives still living and worrying and wondering what happened to their relative, whether the body was found or not. You understand me? So we need, there's a host of corruption on both sides of the scale, That's why I don't blame the youths. I try to school the youths and grow the youths in a wise and respectful, decent manner. You understand what I say? Because everybody can change, As long as there's life, there is hopes. You understand what I say? The wavelength with the youth, them depend today, tomorrow morning, them wake up on another wavelength, One incident, one significant incident can happen in their life will change the way them think all to complete. And there's a new man. You get what I say? This is how things work. So I'm not condemn the youth. Most of the people that condemn the youth, vloggers, politicians, police, judges, doctors, lawyers, people of so-called substance, are only doing so to make themselves feel better. Like they are relevant, like they want to be the relevant one. Matter of fact, they should have been the one in the news, not the gunman them, which is true, to a degree, to a strong degree. But again, if you had put yourself out there in a, let's say, a beneficial capacity to the wider community, you would have been relevant, you would have been known, talked about, and so on. You get what I say? You don't have to go give handout to people which you don't know. All you have to do is address certain subject that you does know affect. Get up people, take them to the proper channel, design, structure the protest or the demo the right way, take it to them, and undeniably it can't be denied. And if a guy try to deny you what you know, you was learned in the field, then you take it back to the people, and this guy is no longer a political representative for such division or era. You get what I say? So I saw our black bright head them becomes the dunce head, because them just take anybody out. Once them get educated, like I've always said or thought, it's like once our Jamaican them get educated, them totally forgot where them come from. Them cross the divide now, and they're no longer a part of the sub-ghetto, but now they are a part of the middle class and channeling up further upwards. That's most people, most educated Jamaican. Education do them that. You get what I say? So, we need that. You get what I say? Yeah. No, me observe say, you know, it's just forgotten. Jamaican people don't pay it no mind neither. It only goes back to my time, my life. You don't know. When I'm the age of 23, you know, when I'm the age of 23, I'm wondering how my parents was gonna bury me, or my mother was gonna bury me. Because you don't know. It's like this is it, that's it. That's the way you think at them age in a Jamaica. Because you know if the police catch you, the police can just walk up on you and just murder you easily and throw you on the back of the Jeep and gone. You get what I say? Everybody know it's murder, but nothing's gonna come off it. You understand what I say? So with them police, when the government just disband them police and let them go, so it's like, to me it's like them know something, government knows something where them don't want to come out. You know, see, because them manage, you know, some strong, serious investigation, internal investigation, external investigation. This is just, I mean, a man, them a murderer, them with authority, in a uniform, where walk around in government authority. How on earth, them just disappear some when you understand what I say? Nowhere in the world that could have happened. And you know, try at least investigate. Because it's highly unlikely for them not to be involved in any other crime and murder and criminal activity. You get what I say? Across the state. It's unlikely. You get me? So, you know, more blessed. You know? It'd be nice to hear some more about it regardless how long. You know, see it. Because there are still a lot of unanswered, unsolved murders. You know, see it. Bless up. Subscribe, share, like, and subscribe. Like. Yeah, I'm not big up to all of the new subscribers. Rastafari. Straight out of work, I am.